Hello everyone, I'm Maureen. I'm a Feng Shui master from the International Feng Shui Association, IFSA. Today, I'm going to share a case with you all. It's related to the brain. The brain corresponds to the fire element in the 5 elements theory. If we have brain cancer, we usually have some hidden illnesses. There will be signs of darkness or punishment. This refers to the meaning of darkness. The person is called Chris Jasper. He's from the Isley brothers. He was born on December 30th, 1951. That was the year of Xi Mao, month of Gongzi, and day of Jia-Chen. You can see these 6 characters. This wood element here is considered strong wood. So, the first useful element must be fire. The second is earth. The third is metal. The unfavorable element, of course, is water. The second unfavorable element is wood. Now, let's take a look. The incident happened during his luck cycle at age 68. Usually, we first look at the previous luck cycle. What was the previous luck cycle? It was the Jia-Wu cycle. You can see Jia clashes with Geng, and Zi clashes with Wu. What does it clash with? It activates the water element, which makes the wood element even stronger. So actually, his problem already appeared during this luck cycle at age 58. It's very obvious that there were issues in this cycle, but of course, he didn't know. Now, let's look back. When I checked his history, it turns out that when he was 5 years old, he had already discovered a tumor in his brain. How can we see this? It turns out that when he was 5, it was the year of Bingshen, 1956, the year of Bingshen. This Shen together with his own Chen and his own Zi form what's called Shen-Zi-Chen, which is a very strong water combination. If inside the body there is such strong water, what happens? It makes his wood element even more unbalanced. Secondly, water will put out his fire. So fire is related to his brain nerves. So at that time I found out that he had brain tumor. Let's look at this combination. Shen-Zi-Chen. Now that I am 68 years old. It was the year of Jia-Chen last year. Jia-Chen and this Chen, Chen self-punishment. Self-punishment is the appearance of something dark. Dark, I don't know. We often say, cancer is a dark thing. At first, you don't know. The month is December. Which is the month of Bingzi? Let's take a look. Oh, there's Chen. And also Zi. So is there a Shen? In his luck cycle, there isn't, because right now, he's in the Guasi luck cycle. Does his Bazi have Shen? No, it doesn't either. But we don't know the time. We can't see the time here. So now I assume, if he discovered it on December 22nd, that would be a Gongchen day. Then it turns out there is again Shen, Zi, and Chen, which is another very strong water configuration. So in 1956, it was also Shen, Zi, and Chen. That means at this time, his brain tumor was discovered. 2 months later, on February 23rd, 2025, something happened. If you look at the month, it's Wu, and the day is water. These are all his unfavorable elements. So if you like learning Bazi, if you want to learn privately with me, private lessons are one-on-one for 6 hours. And in just 4 hours, I'll teach you all about the heavenly stems and earthly branches, the cycles of generation and control. You'll understand read Bazi chart, lay out luck pillars. Next, we'll determine the strength and useful gods. And I'll explain all of that to you. Then, for the remaining 2 hours, I'll analyze your Bazi chart with you, especially from a health perspective. So if anyone is interested now, you can contact me directly on WhatsApp or just message me. Of course, you can also click this link to purchase my Bazi BB version or the Bazi Health online course, which also features master low-hang laps, Bazi applications, advanced Bazi, Feng Shui applications, advanced Feng Shui, and also Wen Wang Gua divination. But most importantly, if you haven't already, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure to subscribe. Hit the bell icon so when I release a new video, you'll be able to watch it right away. Okay, bye.